Hello students and welcome to another science online class. This is video number 3 for the topic gases. So at this point we will discuss Charles' law. So when we say Charles' law, this is the volume of a gas which is represented by big letter V is directly proportional to its temperature represented by big letter T at constant pressure. So walang kinalaman ng pressure dito. So we have V1 divided by T1 is equivalent to V2 divided by T2. So ibig sabihin, V1 is the initial volume, V2 is the final volume, T1 is initial temperature, and T2 is the final temperature. Take note na ang temperature must be in Kelvin. So if the given is in Celsius, you need to convert the Celsius values or Celsius value to kelvins. So, ayan yan, no? So, kung ang volume ay mataas, ang temperature din ay mataas. Kung ang volume ay mababa, ang temperature ay mababa. So, that is the relationship between volume and temperature. Now, let's have an example. So, a sample of carbon monoxide gas occupies 3.20 liters at 125 degrees Celsius. At what temperature will the gas occupy a volume of 1.54 liter if the pressure remains constant? So, using the general formula of Charles' law, okay, let's determine the given. So, since T1 is Kelvin, dapat ang T2 natin ay in Kelvin. Yeah. Because in our problem, it's degrees Celsius. So how can we convert Celsius to Kelvin? The given Celsius, which is 125, plus 273.15, which is constant, to have 398.15 Kelvin. Ito yung sagot natin. V2, ayan, in liters, and T2 is the unknown value. So, out of the general formula of Charles' law, we will derive our new formula V2 times T1 divided by V1. So, substitute the value 1.54 liters times 398.15 Kelvin divided by 3.20 liters. So, i-cancel natin or ayan, cancel out natin yung same units para ang matirang unit ay yung kailangan natin which is T2, which is in Kelvin. So, 1.54 times 398.15 divided by 320, the answer is 192 Kelvin. So, the answer or the final temperature is 192 Kelvin. So, let's have a practice exercises. So, if you want to try Charles' law. So this is the given problems. One of the application of Charles' law is the hot air balloon. No? So the more heat you apply to the balloon, the more na mag-a-ascend or tataas ang hot air balloon. Now, at this point, we will start discussing the Gay-Lussac's law. So when you say Gay-Lussac's law, this is where the pressure of the gas is directly proportional to its temperature. So kung mataas ang pressure, mataas din ang temperature. So the Gay-Lussac's law is being represented by this formula, P1 divided by T1 is equivalent to P2 divided by T2, where T1 is the initial temperature, T2 is the final temperature, P1 is the initial pressure, and P2 is the final pressure. Again, temperature must be in kelvins. We will continue our discussion in our video number 3.